Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix HTMLayout.dll missing error in Windows 10, 11 or 8. So to resolve this issue, firstly open Chrome browser, then click on this three dot, then settings, and here click on advanced, scroll down, then click on reset and cleanup. Now select restore settings to their original defaults. So once guys you click on reset settings, so this action will reset Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data, and make sure bookmarks, history and saved passwords won't be affected. So just you have to click on reset settings. Now close it and restart your PC or laptop. Now guys, close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using these simple steps we can fix HTMLayout.dll missing error in Windows 10, 11 or 7 or 8. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.